maybe somehow, someday, things will change. But for now, and this mobile and warrior. My brother, thank you very much.
Me da say, Uncle Marcus, Ebusian for Pachobet me supportive program way using the number you are seeing displayed on the screen, 059-573-9837. Can support with data, you can support with Momo to help us purchase the data. Pena Blog Media, thanks so much for the gift. I appreciate you. Thanks so much for the gift. Ebusian for also no munim se munia, I'm contesting to become GRASAG president in US, Graduate Student Association of Ghana in US. Now, my main contender, nipa mini nekono, onu NDC for ne sponsor no. Enti, omu discuss share election nimu papa. And we have just less than 3 weeks to go to election. Enti, ubeti mi abua my campaign. Ese yen printing flyers, banners. Na yentia volunteers mbako ye campaign ama miwo hostels nimu and all those things involve a lot of money. Last time it I made draw budget no now almost 30,000 Ghana cedis. I think roughly around $3,000 that we have to use on the campaign. And you can help bring this home for Yena opposition. For me to be a GRASAG president, I tell you it will help the fortunes of our party, especially for the premium university in Volta region, University of Health and Allied Sciences. So please support me to do this. The number is on the screen, 059-573-9837. Also, while we worry wedding, funerals, pre-birthday photo shoot, party, and I say dinner night, award night, and all the rest, upe photographer, and I say videographer for that event, you can contact me with this number. And I have a very excellent and advanced photography and videography business that does extremely well. Just contact me for a very, very, very affordable rate. A health outreach or whatever it is. Let me know. We can talk about it. Kumasi Queen, can you come in?
The Voice.
Yes.
That's it. The Voice. Media no me can and I'll say me impose dear John Dramani Mahamayan, a yamid. It's a wofoni ya kwato abani ye kachire wo. So ubekaya early omuwini abana na se tekwebeka say free education omuntimi nyedai enye.
Yeah.
But Ghana for taking it serious. And almost a makoti committee. Enti omo ye dialogue no ma judge nchire. Anche bia na vice president grandma beka say grade A schools in die I was say almost shed da bon ho ban omo ye in the nicest way. Not just say in a way no omo person omo chere say nyafo ma ntibi nyedai. Enko ho. Enti don't try. But say in ombeye na de no beye to say yen ka say men ko nti enye ye school placement no nwonwunan eye nwonwunan ya say wenye sika nkotua bribe untimi nyedai enko ene ya te say NDC yankasa member of parliament ka say ne party ni ana say NDC ni akotua 30,000 ewo social media iso akọ viral. Or say on one to me and my mini coach you at 30,000, so 15,000. No, my many banny placing no becatching so on my boy. Me banny school I day. Aman. Ain't see Ghana for paddy ye free. Because I'm a mind jomu by now, minim same punching in Grantia no ewa. Headmaster for the Cody Jarred the Bayer Diana day. Emma man. Ain't see a ye. Me de me hu mahama hu na ka chen se me chia no me da na se pa ne wa ye no so betimi a ontwi mpre mu odin no nya de wo Ghana fo so next year next academic year no o mi anani on sanye school placement ne basa bio The Voice so anya ne sa anya de MPP betimi aye de aba power.
Okay.
So twimo ko pa gu o mani na ka o mani a enyo obi na be ka kire o se 2028 December 7th, no one conquer na was almost a day. Almost to aba. Almost Cassan on Bessora him matching. A dear boy, and then chancing a quackosa lie. Said the Abaya will be a form. enkonkoto aba no nemom omu di omulai mu akwakoye de akwakoto aba no now we say MPP do we understand politics anti politics ase bra anti politics ase MPP ni nkoto say ye ni new MPP ni ana ya bu ni new MPP ni na wakobwa ame ya bu ni new ne da senior Moses ebua Israel fo okoto so obi bu Israel ni ekunu na obua am yekun nipa ni sie no MPP fo onte sa MPP fo krom be bia wo hye bi o ma akoyi wama wo catch MPP ni se wo di boni we wo kwa akote ha wo ho ano no catch nipa ni se ko ha ote ha se bra na be chen NDC fo kwa akokasa wo radio so abra wo be kasa ya bopr omuni na ma no ye kro
enukre
MPP for ya no ya miensa we nam ha na we nam ha na we nam ha anka anye sa enke si den na 80 MPs na nado dan kwa ma one more position government appointees bebre wo mu etimi march ko Jubilee House say yentu Kenoforia de atades me wa papa when wo be finance minister Ghana ati de wotimi ko bagani ema Ghana loans yetimi di bi cheyen eso Ghana for so mo mpe wo no ne mom ka yenyi ni enko faseka enya dai embra emeye finance minister anase enko fa Eugene Boachi entwi emeye finance minister enti se yamfa na meye finance minister dia ene na party ne nya dai ensei so yesi Kenoforia tadi sika okotu amana wadi sika Yanyam PP for Bexna radio station so say one no wanya na asem nti won so an cross including a member of parliament e tie na ni ba ne ho so no e na o se wanka ne saa enti MPP for de no kuranie so nyame boa yampa ni abapawa 2028 e wo si esue nyansa apart from NDC e tu trasem no yensia se de NDC for omusi dom ho senya asamu ba omuni na fum abo na wo muti se nkrane no omfum hu na mu protect your own na ye asamu ba MPP ni hu a na ye sheda bomodie ye kra ne be escalate ade na na ye kese ye aka nye sa bra ka MPP nko opposition ye betina power because nana do ni Dr. Bawomi omu ye adwuma meka se wo yi President Kufua 19 years of Rollins no eni ni 8 years as bra wanya sa enso be wiase no na MPP ho aye tanya ma ye de MPP che wa bra enya akono because of ya no asem seni yesi kasa tie ye nua ye kasa yetimi obi kokobokobra na timi kan ya kan say MPP fu wie sika as if there is no tomorrow adan na wose ye kasa and then this by a bra state capture omunye bi
e cost kranya easy
yo what is obi aboho wa
Debi
Ibrahim Mahama kwaji azuma mine what is obi aboho wa
Debi asa hwensi
ensi yenya obi na so ye MPP ni fa adwapade buku hye bo ni bu motuom so deda wodi dware wodi ye bibia na wodi nam egu MPP animu ase yenya MPP communicators ameka se asem na guy ne kan waboa enya no kre adwapade buku bia anya den enibo bra ya to oba ne wi adwapade buku na ewu ya bari enti MPP for I was saying supporting your kingdom business. Ni protect your own de biara da. Sempo pipi ni na your bone kra no a. Wonya bone. Because some dem fia dia wo ye bra. Wo sati example no.
Yeah.
Omu ni na to go so. Say some dem fi enya hwe Mahama say wapa den some dem fi. Go and see no more.
Yeah.
And so yen nanado. Every before man the pressure so no catch mama say da pass on resigning. Ye piana na dua kasi ya mane Kenoforia tan resigning. Ade. Every before kwa na bra ye nim nsa chi wo bia. Minim se school no ma kono. Se dem be twi ho amenti ase. Every ni bia nim nyansa. If MPP ni akola kura ya wo no kindergarten wonim nyansa che wo bia enti de bia MPP ni bia ya right ya mpese ya be ya ho kwase ada da bi da enyansa fo nko na egu party nti se ye sua sa de we ya beboa ya nkasa
Right.
when we say contest for position me expect MPP before you be omo wo sika foi sen ko mo meso wasen because NDC for we on be find the World Cup.
Yes. Scan nya easy o. Scan mo pumping no nya easy. Scan mo pumping nya easy.
On be find the World Cup. No more support your own. And so before nko de bia sika ne won se dan kro ne emiemia so. Ye emiemia so yes and be shame. Yes and be shame.
Nya easy.
This time de mo ma yensua nyansa kakra. Ne yamu aye nua no. Yeti asi ene ebebo aye nua. Wawu a amu be hu se ba kofifu mani ase. E kwa akosu nya atwumusun e wase ya pamochaw mama yan support your own no no so ntumi mfu badwan
That's it.
me da say the voice
Me that's a Kumasi Queen. Oh, and the passionate appeal from Kumasi Queen. No. And the Busafamu. Okay, someone says that Emily says, I just made my father to follow your account because he's enjoying the program. Wow. Emily, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Wow. I love that. Thank you so much. I'm humbled. Yes. And Penny 4 to me follow your power how. Penny 4, they listen to us. I mean, they love how our guests put their arguments through, how the program is structured and all those things. Emily, thank you so much. I wish I knew the account of your father that I could give him a shout out. But thank you so much. Sorry, Swebusian for I had to go and work on my concept note. And let's have the final words for tonight. Order for 2 minutes. Then
Maminka
I said many parts. I said cry.
The voice. Who's the name?
Block you.
Omba life. Why Maminka? Maminka, yeah. The voice. Maminka. Yeah. Politics. Nasem. Yeah. You know. Yeah. Party. No. That's the way me cast MPP for any politics. Yeah. Yeah. In good governance. But say, ban say. Yenji power, yenji campaign, yen support MPP for you blue average. I didn't tell me kasa. And this for it me kotnase or more strategize ever out. Assembly ombe kukubia Ghana for be because they will peddle lies, falsehood, and defend it as if their life depend on it.
Yeah.
But MPP for ye na no krenu. Ade na ya yenim say oh yes dan we wo ha no. Yentimi even publish ma manfo. We can't even come out and say yaye we. Because ya fan kofu a omufu say omubu omu too much the sense say ofu so ye lawyer ndino on ba bonti me enum fi. Or you say onu okura doctorate. Na wa okura doctorate na o me campaign no. One day no funny people teacher no kwaya campaign na wa okura doctorate yan for 2 million ma. Yan hwe NDC. Yan hwe ya fans akwa we Basantari okura SHS certificate. Ya so okwa university omu Ginedi.
Yeah.
Due to performance wa oni bachelor. On degree bia enso ECU Ghana. But NPP unkura PhD I am more CU.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear basa. Yen hwe omo ye dedicated. I didn't hear them be a problem because ye the chaff enwura. Ephraim go for ye Ephraim party enwura wom too much. People who don't have the passion, the heart of the party. But they come with their degree and just because of omo DBA or educational ladder, we take the position and give it to them. Yeah, campaign. You will never see those people on the ground. They say yeah campaign. Now a party member why enjoy throughout the 8 years. Oh, you come out and tell us my reason from active politics. Then after the election, you had your voice back. Are you not stupid?
Abotre.
And this knee bang. Na ya hun say ye kwa election na omu uhu degree holder uhu yi omu nyina bom omu nyina ye campaign. Omu nyina they all come because one nya bia ye ba unya bi. Those omu yi omu anem ye campaign man and this no. Omu ba power we have seen say omu award omu. Including omu even omu kura fake doctorates. Ya award omu. But NPP ma ya obi be yi nanim aye campaign no ye ba wo the educational level where we form di no ma yankofo obi ne yamfa na machine ma hu so many people omu wo party ni mu a NPP mo omu en support party ni bia na say omu onko but ono onye active e wo party due to sa na ma we
Yo.
Wow. Enti no yesam ye party no ye sa na ma na e koso no mo ma ye hu ye nte politics na ase say omu be party na esu akonkon omu be nanti fie ma omu be campaign no ye ba ma ye look down upon them because omu a ye fro ladder na ye si omu no omu a na ye san e be si omu those no a ye omu ye campaign no ye kwa na ye kopima you will come back to them and this one so omu san for omu anko bia say ye na ye boa omu boa ma ye campaign ni na ma ye ya nka nye ndi so obi nka tie say omu no mu weska ne yeska fu pe ye kasa na o kasa bi
Yo.
Ndi no ye samo ye party ye politics no ye hu governance no ye hu politics ye hu how ye be say politics no e na be me ye nya tumi a ye de be ko akobu man no me da obi biase
Me that say therefore ebusiamfo I was screen also no that is my declaration of intent. That is my flyer, declaration of intent, and I don't know if you can read, but down there the big one, Richard Harris Alipoji, Grassac president hopeful. It's Grassac no as a SRC, ewo mpenifo side, and uncle for munya first degree, our mo masters no PhDs, and Grassac no, and ewo you has no, go for be brave. Nipa bebre omo ye Grassac for person media omo as omo president as omo president no menya kwan etina council meetings council no higher decision making body of the university na ebe boa ye pa as party a ye opposition mo me kai ebe na me ye SRC president no 2019 honum no me dey me position e boa MPP pa. When people came out to say there were issues with Free Senior High School, as a leader of the student body, I came out to say there be and say people who were coming into the university, they were doing well at level 100, they were doing well at level 200. Then, and she was me. Why? I'm supporting my campaign by donating. Donate anything you have. Kindly help by donating so that we can use it to pay volunteers to print banners, to print stickers, and all those things that are needed for election. And once again, Minabanye, just within 2 minutes, let's help by making donations. 2 minutes, let's make donations so that the phone who donate here, come on. I would mention it here. Kindly help by making a donation. Nothing is too small. Nothing is too small for this one. Help achieve this. Let me take Hyport finally and go. Please, kindly help by donating something towards my campaign. Right. Hyport.
Yeah, boys. Good evening.
Evening. 3 minutes now.
You mean an election time, Ben? That be no election.
27th November. November we are.
Oh, November. Oh, it's close.
Yeah, very close. Very close. We have a limited time. Yeah.
Yeah. It's too close. Ghana for so nessa be about to emojis ka yem fan ya adwen ehu nipa nyansane ne ato Obama na ye de time bia ye twisi kasa ne ato Obama amobi no ene na ye te ho aye nyina ye tie mu se free se chese aye nwunu aye basai voice adakudi ntia na do dan kwa kufu ado all the free senior higher education basa voice wi ase o man bia no ye hia nipa bebre ne ye de wo mu adane oman nani you just need few people.
Yeah.
Na nado dan kwa kufa tracing who says a few people no. Uko form wo hifa. I just say we stand with 10 tackles across the length and the breadth of the country to get these people. I say what to a south. net egu nsuo mu no ese uchi na muni nyina ya den eba no wo hu se bia we ye tilapia we ye redfish we ye cassava fish no wo yi ni nyina ya den afiri mu hwe me nkola bia me kire wade wa gona so aduru Methodist school 2 our final year our you has is here.
Wow.
One girl is a first class student.
Wow.
Of Methodist school agona so aduru aban school owie onya yasantewa girls owie yasantewa no de aba you has.
Wow.
Bisami se aduma be na ma me ye oton cocoa porridge.
Wow.
Sometimes I send the girl money. Enti asem na ye kan say Ghana fo wo ka bibia na wo de aye concert na adwamfo ma no mo sa ene ye nto man pipi no mo he na na do no mo dada nyansa biye anim. All these are the children now for the next 10 years no enkola ye be nyom a ombe ye adwuma wo hospital, the doctors and laboratory technicians, engineers na they are from Akufado products and eba so o mining. Enti ade de wo ya omu se eyeka but in fashion so ye den e wo so enti ye ma nkola me braba na wo sunwane onya free SHS okobi onya achimota. Free SHS onya bi enkola be bra me kire mo de ebi mu ye pharmacy ebi wo legon ebi wo tech ebi wo nurses omu nyina anya kufu ado adabro ma because the government will show adwuma o ma me mo ya there's no way sanka enkola be tuma ko piepie sa school sakase yi mu. Akufo-Addo is a smart politician. Odum se man yes ana de bia enkran, de bia Kumase, de bia Cape Coast. So aye won kwala bi so wo enkurase ni nkron kitiwo mu aban school mu. They are very intelligent even than those in Accra. Kwan pension no be fa so nya san kole na daachi, wo be tishiro man ya maye. Yese yempe ni yasa yakọ akira san akwakofa bibi ana na aye basa ankrofo etie mu sa na yepe. Ghana for you deserve one or money no ba yem bompa yes Dr. Mahmoud ba me beba no obedan dan no mani because here nhwen so ma sebe ye nua no money offer se from we kurase no o ma brabo ye basa ye nye bompa se Dr. Mahmoud ba beba na sankrofo no so bibi so so ba voice ye be hwese campaign no betuma bo an kakra why
me da say hypo
bibi enya o ye de obeti an kamia na me nshira
amen e busan for me da mo nyina se ene muni mabe ye ba kwa we had fruitful discussions. Therefore, me that say, Mama Pans.